Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial here on my channel. So in today's video, we're going to create this beautiful rainbow inspired makeup. So if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to go in with the light matte nude eyeshadow shade and highlight my brow bone. And to do this, I'm using Unity from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Next I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Confetti onto my eyelid, kind of like a base for the eyeshadows I'm about to apply. Now I'm going to blend this bright yellow eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette into my crease using a fluffy blending brush. And I also like to blend it out into more of a cat eye shape, so you can do that too if you like to get the same effect. Next I'm picking up this bright orange eyeshadow from the same palette, and we're going to apply this one in the crease as well. I'm using a slightly smaller blending brush so that I can be a little bit more precise with this shade. Now we're going to apply our third and final crease shade, which is this bright purple eyeshadow from the same Morphe palette. And I'm just focusing this one right in the crease so that we get a nice transition between the purple, orange, and yellow. Now for the lower lash line, I'm first applying the orange, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the purple eyeshadow shade in the outer corners as well. Now I'm going to pick up this metallic blue eyeshadow from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it onto the eyelid where I haven't put any eyeshadows yet. Then I'm adding a little bit of this dark purpley blue eyeshadow, also from the Morphe palette, onto the outer corners of my lid and also on my lower lash line. And here I'm just adding some more of the bright yellow eyeshadow in my inner corners. To add some dimension to the look, I applied a little bit of this minty green eyeshadow onto the center of my lid, and I really think this made all the eyeshadows pop a lot more. Now for my inner corners, I'm mixing this white and light golden eyeshadow from the Fenty Galaxy palette. And then for the lower lash line, I'm also adding a little bit of this metallic purple eyeshadow. I know I used like 50 different eyeshadows for this look, but I don't care because I love it. And now on my waterline, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Crayon in the shade Grape. Then I'm just going to finish off the look with some mascara and my all-time favorite lash, which is Russian Blue from Feline Lashes. I have a discount code in the description box if you want to get them as well. And that is it for this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!